What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I got the Google Pixel Fold, and I've been loving the device so far. But one of the things that I'm concerned about is the brightness level on this device. Now, this Pixel Fold is supposed to be rated at 1200 nits of brightness and 1550 nits of peak brightness. Now, I don't know about that. I've been seeing other people have concerns about the brightness level here on this device. Now, I shoot a lot of video outside. I'm always outside shooting a lot of film. And the Google Pixel Fold has concerned me when I'm in the outside element because the screen is totally dim. It's supposed to be 1200 nits, so it should be no problem seeing it outside. But unfortunately, this device is very dim when it comes down to the outside element. So in this video, I bought one of my true and tested devices, which is one of my daily drivers, the LG V60, and I bought the Galaxy Z Fold 4, a device that I'm replacing with the Pixel Fold. And I did both of them in direct sunlight, and I want y'all guys to see this because, listen, this is supposed to be 1200 nits when you go all the way up. And I have the LG V60 is rated at about 600 nits. And for some strange reason, my LG V60 is totally brighter than this device. How could that be, right? Maybe a software update would fix that. I don't know. But I want to show you guys the outside element only with the Google Pixel Fold and two devices, which is my trusted LG V60 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And I'm going to put it in regular brightness and adaptive brightness so y'all guys can see. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is, right? I got the Pixel Fold and I got the LG V60, and I'm in direct sunlight. And these are both of the home screens. I got both of the devices at 100% brightness, right? Both of the devices at 100% brightness. And here is the home screen. Now, listen, even though the home screens are two different wallpapers, I just wanted to show you guys the wallpaper. Now, the Pixel Fold is supposed to have 1200 nits with a peak brightness of 1550 nits. And I got, right now, I don't have it on adaptive brightness. I just got it on regular brightness, and I have the LG V60 on regular brightness also. And as you can see, from my point of view, it's no way that this is 1200 nits. The LG V60 right now is about under 500 nits. That is the specs for the LG V60. And as y'all can see, it's dim. But let's go on and go to my display tester. Okay, we're gonna go to the display tester. Look at that. It is definitely dimmer than the LG V60. But let's go to the display tester, and I'm gonna crank this all the way up to 100%. Okay, and I'm gonna crank this up to 100% brightness. 100% brightness. As you can see, the red is very bright. Once we get it to the green, that's very bright. Again, this is under 500 nits, and this is supposed to be 1200 nits. Here we go. There it is. And as y'all can see, that the LG V60 is much brighter than the Pixel Fold. And I'm out here, and I want y'all guys to see this. Okay, all right, but let's turn it on adaptive brightness, and let's see what's going on. And let's go to display. And let's go to adaptive. Okay, now this is supposed to peak it up all the way up to 1550 nits. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back to 100% brightness. Okay, and let's go back to the reds. Okay, now I don't think that the adaptive brightness kicked in, so I don't know, maybe some software updates will fix this issue here. But look at that. You can't tell me that this is 1500 nits. Again, the LG V60 is about, I believe it's about 500 to 600 nits. And there it goes. All right, but let me go and get another device. All right, so this is the Z Fold 4. Let's crank the brightness all the way up. All right, And so this is the Z Fold 4, way brighter. Okay, and let's go to the test again, and let's go to crank the brightness all the way up to 100%. All right, and let's go back to the reds. So here it is. This is the reds between both of the devices. This is the greens. As you can see, the Z Fold 4 is a lot brighter. And I got this on adaptive brightness, so it's supposed to be up to 1550 nits. Okay, here it is. Want y'all guys to see that. So there's definitely some issues here with brightness. And I don't know if Google is telling the truth here about if the Pixel Fold is 1200 nits. There's no way. I mean, this display right here look more like 400 nits, 500 nits, not 1200 nits. So I'm just wondering if a software update gonna fix that, because no way you can sit up here and tell me that this is 1200 nits. All right, so let's open it up. Let's go back up to 100% brightness. Okay, so this is the 100% brightness. Okay. Okay, look at that. All right. Want y'all guys to see that? Huh. All right, so there it is. The Pixel Fold supposed to be 1200 nits. And this definitely in direct sunlight, it is something that needs to be a software update to fix. Don't look like 1200, maybe 1500 nits. It's not even close. So I hope you enjoyed the footage that you just saw, right? Outside, non-scientific video, right? But still, as you saw, that my LG V60 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 brightness level at peak brightness compared to this device is way brighter. Don't know why, but that's the deal. Even when you put it on adaptive brightness, this device is just not bright enough. Now, I don't know whether or not the 1200 nits is real or fake. I don't know. I don't have any kind of meters to test it, but if this device is 1200 nits, it should be no problem seeing in the outside element. But unfortunately at 1200 nits or even 1550 nits, 1500 nits, right, of peak brightness, I should have no problem seeing the device outside. Now, I got the device at full brightness right now, and I mean, it look like it's at 50% brightness. So maybe a software update will fix this. I don't know. Leave your comments down below. Are you having the same issue when it comes down to brightness? When you outside, and as me as a filmmaker, I'm always filming outside. So I'm always outside in the element, and I get a bunch of text messages and I'm replying to emails, and it's very difficult to see this device in bright sunlight. Now I have to go need a tree or maybe under some shade so I can see the display a little better. But in direct sunlight, it's a lost cause. I don't know. I can't see this device too well in bright sunlight, in direct sunlight. I don't know. Maybe a software update will fix it. But when I hear 1200 nits, when I hear 1500 nits of peak brightness, I should have no problems with outside visibility with this device. Listen, even if I had the device at full brightness as I do right now, I should not have. This thing's supposed to be blinding me at 1200 nits. But unfortunately, it's not blinding me at 1200 nits. All right. That's what I'm talking about. I just wanted to make this short video, not short, but I wanted to make this video talking about my experience with the brightness level of the Google Pixel Fold. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Google Pixel Fold in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.